hindi po nagpapatunay na nag-exist na si Christ or yung Son. Or, yes, yung Kristo already existed in the beginning. Ang base po natin ay John 1:1, in the beginning was the Word. Yung Word po is Jesus Christ. Yes, we believe that Jesus Christ was there already in the beginning. Even Christ, nandun na si Kristo. 1 Corinthians 10:4, siya yung batong sumusunod sa mga Israelita sa ilang, no? Sabi sa 10:4, sila ay nagsiinom ng spiritual na inumin sa spiritual na bato na sumusunod sa kanila sa ilang, at ang batong yon ay si Kristo. Jesus Christ was there already in the beginning. What our stand, and we firmly stand, is that the Son, yung anak po ay hindi nag-exist in the beginning. So this doesn't prove that the Son